What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. My name is Mintai, and in this video I am going to try to fix this thumb to make this thumb look as natural as possible. This client came in telling me that this thumb was injured by a copper wire. A copper wire went into this thumb and caused the thumb to look like that. So after I examined this thumb, I noticed the top corner of her cuticle, there is no natural nail. There is a gap with no natural nails on there, and the rest of her thumb, there is natural nails. I also touched the thumb to make sure that the natural nail is on good and it's not loose. It is on pretty good. So now I'm going to go in with the pre-shaped coffin tips, and I'm going to try to make sure to get this nail to look presentable, because that's all this client wants. Ever since she damaged her nails, she just feels like she cannot present her nails with other people as she's shaking hands. So hopefully I'm going to do the magic, because here's the thing, y'all. As I am cutting down the tips, I am also concerning about that thumb, because knowing that there is a gap with no natural nails on there, you know the acrylic is not going to bond, because in order for the acrylic to bond, it needs some rough area and it needs to be sanded down, and I cannot use the sander on that area because that's a sensitive area right there. So all I can try to utilize is the natural nails that she already have. So in my head, I am planning. As I am planning, I tell you what, even if this client's thumb is all jacked up and I'm trying to help her out, she was really concerned about like the look of the nail. She was concerned about the design, the shape, the length. I mean, she have a lot of concerns. And does that bother me? No, it doesn't. Because when a person has that much concern, that just tells me that, you know, they have a little insecurity problem. They might have low self-esteem. And me as a nail tech, I understand for that. So I try to work with her and trying to give her what she wants, because you never know what people are going through, y'all. You never know. Sometimes you be surprised a beautiful set of nails can make somebody's day, and you might end up saving a life because you did something good for them. And that's again why I love being a nail technician, y'all. And if you are a nail technician and you love making your clients happy and you love making them feel good, give me a thumbs up and make sure you leave it in the comment that you love taking care of your clients, y'all. So now we're going to go in with the nude. Now here is where I messed up, y'all. I should have put a clear coat under there before I put the nude. But like I say, I was nervous, and I think what made it more nervous is that this client, she wasn't easy. She was, you know, she had a little bit nitpicking here and there. But again, she's also my first time doing her nails, and I always try to make sure I get the clients what they want, especially when I first met them. Because, you know, when you never met them before, you're always trying to talk to them so you know their style so that you can deliver for them. So as I am putting the acrylic on this thumb, y'all, I'm trying to create an apex. I'm trying to create the cuticle perfectly. That's the goal. I want to make them natural as possible, okay? And you know, even if we went in with the pre-shaped coffin tips, the thumb still look really thick because it's a big wide thumb, and we got to make sure we're going to shape it in, y'all. So it is not done right now. I am just focusing on the acrylic because the goal is what? To get this thumb to look as natural. And you know, I'm going to try to seal as much I can, flushing down the cuticle where the part where there's no nails. But here's the scary part, y'all. As I am doing this, I'm thinking in my head, like, if I go in with the electric drill and if I run through and I slip just a little bit on that skin, that can cause her nail to bleed. And you don't want that to bleed when there's acrylic under there, y'all. The goal is not to have any type of moist. So after the acrylic's done, you know, I'm excited. Because, you know, after acrylic is the easy part. It's just the shaping. So, you know, we're going to go in with the taper square, y'all. And we're going to spend some time on this taper square trying to get it on point. And I tell you what, man, at this moment right here, I am very happy knowing that I am going to make somebody's day trying to fix that thumb. And here's the thing. I know a lot of y'all, if y'all watching this and y'all are some nail guru or something, y'all probably say that, oh, you should never put acrylic on that thumb. That thumb's going to fall off. Look, man, I told you already in the beginning of the video. I already told the client that we're going to monetize the thumb and we're going to make sure that we keep an eye on it. And even if this thumb fall off, I think this client's gonna be willing to let the thumb fall off as long as she can still hang on to the acrylic for a while, temporarily until it heals. She gonna be presentable. Because what is her ultimate goal? Her ultimate goal is to stay presentable. And you know the picture of the thumb before, that ain't presentable, y'all. You know that. Like when you shake somebody's hand, the goddamn thumb is facing upward. And that kind of thumb that she had in the beginning of the videos, you know that's not presentable. So we're gonna try to make it work, y'all. But again, we gotta stay monetized. We ain't doctors. We're not here to like fix no finger. But nail techs, we face a lot of problems where the client's gonna come in and demand you to do a certain thing that you know, like, oh, I don't know if I'm able to do it. For real. You will face that situation, and you as a nail technician, you get to make that decision like, oh, is it worth doing? Like, let me tell you what kind of nail I don't do. I don't do nail, well, technically, I do all the nails, y'all. I do all the nails. I don't think I have turned away any nails. Because at the end of the day, client's not going to come in with some like bloody ass, nasty pus coming out. They're not. The only things you're going to get is dirty ass nails, food under there, you know. But other than that, you know, they ain't coming in with bones and sticking out, okay? Because I'm not touching no bones that's sticking out. I'm just letting you know that. But you look, back to the electric filing. As I am using electric file on that thumb, you can see the shape is right there. It's kind of tapered square. That thumb's a little bit wide. But I'm going to try to clean the cuticle. And that was the hardest part, y'all, because this client was a little bit sensitive too. Because I kind of, you know, nip her a couple times. But I try not to because, like I say, my goal is to get that flushing really on point, to get this thumb where there's no lifting, especially on that corner right there. Okay, the corner where it doesn't have the natural nails, that is my biggest concern. But you know what? Let me tell you, at this moment right here, the client is very impressed. She was like, oh my God, it looks so good. I never had anybody done my thumb like that. For real. And you know, this is like the simple thing that nail tech like us can do for like $60, you know, and you make their day. You make their day, their week. She was like messaging her mom, her sister, that she got a beautiful thumb now. For real. This client, she ended up getting a pedicure by me. So I ended up just doing a pedicure. She was just like going on with that picture. But as you can see, I'm spending a lot of time on that thumb because I got to get it perfect, y'all. I have to get it perfect. As you see, I'm trying to get that cuticle. And the thing about her cuticle is that the skin, it kind of rolls over her nails. Like her cuticle doesn't push back. Her cuticle, you can see how her cuticle kind of rolls into her nails. That's where it's hard because as I'm filing off the cuticles, I'm pushing her skin back. You know what I mean? I'm trying to move it back. See, look how I'm trying to figure that out. But I'm examining, and everything's looking good, y'all. Everything is looking good. Now I'm going to go in with the design, and this design is a Cateye design, y'all. So this tutorial is awesome. I get to fix the thumb, and I get to show y'all how to do some Cateye. Now, this Cateye right here, you can tell the polish is on point, y'all. I tell you something. When Cateye first came out, I hate it because all the oil base, all the polish, it just kind of fall apart, gets strippy all over the nails. The new product of the Cateye, y'all, no joke, okay? This Cateye that I'm using, you can tell the polish is not smearing at all. And I'm going to go in with the magnetic, and we're going to go in. See the magnetic? There we go. Boom. And you just shift it. And you're going to go in with 2 coats, okay, y'all? So don't worry about the first coat. The first coat of the Cateye, you're going to see like the shift of the glitter, but it's going to be very like transparent. You're going to see through the polish on the first coat. And sometimes the client's always going to ask you, oh, is this how the colors look like? And you just got to tell them like, oh, no, this is just the first coat. You got to go with the second coat, and they feel more calm. You know what I mean? That is the craziest thing about polish, y'all. Like clients always be like, oh my God, is this the color? I'm like, ma'am, that's just only first coat. We need to put second coat. And oh, okay. They get so worried, okay? They get so worried. And you know, look at this, y'all. About this set right here, you know we already went above and beyond for that thumb, right? On top of that, look at the design, y'all. Look how much we are going above and beyond for this client. And this design is easy. You use the cat eye effects, especially I love to do the side French, man. Easy, and I'm going to go in with the liner, just cleaning it up a little bit. You know, at this moment right here, I'm just satisfied, y'all, because look, as you can see from the corner, that thumb is looking fresh right now. You know, that girl is going to go shopping, flashing her thumb, bro. Can you believe it? Can you imagine we got a beautiful thumb? Now you can give yourself a thumbs up. Think about it. Like, you cannot give yourself a thumbs up, or you cannot give anyone a thumbs up if your thumb is messed up, bro. You know what I mean? So we made that thumb looking good, y'all. And I'm excited. That's why I keep saying thumb, because honestly, y'all see the beginning of that thumb already. That thumb looked like it went through the war, and then it's still hanging on from the war. Now what we did was we put that war back together, and now that thumb's good. But that cat eye is clean, bro. As you all know, we always gonna go in with the Gaudy Nail Gel top coat, y'all. One of the best top coat out there. It's very glossy, man. I love this top coat. But what I love more is the feeling that the client's giving me at this moment, y'all. I wish y'all were there, because she is looking at her nails every single moment, y'all. Every single moment. She's like, oh my God, I can't. Look, man, I have a good experience. And what I love about my job is that I make people's day through one set of nails, y'all. I'm not making no magic, no miracle, just making it through one set of nails. And like I said, we're gonna monetize that thumb. We're gonna make sure that thumb's gonna be in good hand when she comes back. And that's how you do it, y'all. You know, it's not hard to please somebody. You know, it's not hard to make somebody's day. But of course, we always gotta end it with some oil. Y'all cannot let them dry ass cuticle go lonely. So that's how we did that thumb. That's how we did that set. That's how we did the cat eye. Look at the shape, y'all. Taper square. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all find it entertaining. I hope y'all learned something, because guess what? I love y'all so much for supporting me, and I just want to let y'all know, thank you for watching all the way to the end. I see you on my next video. Look at that thumb.